Today we're looking at using the pen tool, some of the basics of the pen tool. I'll zoom out here. So we're going to draw various shapes. I already clicked here by the looks of it. Delete that. And we're going to start with the zigzag shape. I'll zoom in, grab the pen tool, and you'll see this X right beside the pen. That means it's about to start a new path. And I'll just click on each of these. I'm going to miss one of these on purpose. And there we go. Drawn a bunch of straight lines. It's a connected path. And we're done. Now, I missed this one here. If I wanted to move that, I can use the direct selection tool. Click down here and I can see if there's an anchor. Let me zoom in a little more for you. And I can move it. Okay, so that's the direct selection tool on the pen tool. Looks like I got to move that one. Don't have to be too picky. Now this direct selection as well, I might decide to pick one of these line segments right in the middle there. Press delete on the keyboard and now it's deleted. I have two paths. I'll turn off this background layer so you can see. There we go. So I broke it into two parts. And if I wanted to rejoin this together, I could Control Z obviously, but if I take the pen tool and bring it in right by that little anchor, you can see a / appear, and that means it's going to connect to that existing path, if I hit it correctly, and go to that path. There we go. And now I've made it one path again. So that's just straight lines with the pen tool, but that's not really where the power is. The power is in Control 0, turn on the background, in the curves, okay, the Bezier curves, which we'll get to in just a second. One other feature I want to show you. If you hold the Shift key down, it will constrain you that you won't be able to click anywhere but horizontal or vertical. Okay, so I'm just holding the Shift key. If I click anywhere else, it'll lock it in place. Okay, anyways, let's move on to the exciting part. Bezier curves. This first curve goes up and then comes down. So I'm going to click here. Holding the Shift key down locks me so I'm vertical, and I'm going up. And then I'm coming down. So I'm going to click over here at the end and run down. Hold the Shift key. Now that might seem kind of obvious, but let's undo that. Let's say I go down first here, and then I try to click over here. See, it's going down. There's no way I can get that to go the other direction. Well, there is. I can hold the Alt key and I can move this handle up around and change a few things, but anyways, we won't look at that just yet. Okay, so pen tool, I want this curve to go up, so I'm holding the Shift, and I want this curve to go down, and so I do that. Looks like I should have brought that up a little bit higher. I'll hold the Alt key. That allows me to grab that handle. I can bring that one up, hold the Alt key, grab that handle, bring it back down. There we go. Let's look at something a little bit more involved. This one's very natural. I just click, go up, click, go. This one goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Hey, not much to that one. This is the shape that most people have troubles with. Notice it goes up, comes down, but then goes straight back up again. So this, if I draw my first handles, I'm going straight up. Now I want this side to go down, but then I want it to go back up again. Let me just fix this. Holding the Alt key down gives me that. There we go. So now I want this to go up again. So I need to hold the Alt key down and bring this handle upwards. Now, when I draw my curve, see, it goes up. This side's down. Hold the Alt key, bring this handle up. Going down on this side, hold the Alt key, bring this handle up, hold the Alt key, and that chooses the direction. I'll show you one more that's a bit different. Let's say I now want to do a corner here, so now I'll send it off that way. The next one I do will come off. So notice these little handles are always just touching tangent to the edge of the curve. Control 0, see the whole page. Ah, this one down here, yes. So pen tool, this goes up, and it comes down. I don't even really need one there. So I'll just click the center, that'll get rid of it. Click over here, and this goes down that way. I should have handled that other handle. Oh well, close enough. Get rid of that one. Click there. I need a handle on there, and there. I should have added that other handle over here. Okay, so there's drawing with the pen tool.